Okay, today I'm changing the brake pads on my 2004 Honda Pilot. All the brakes are pads only, okay, no shoes. So either front or back, they're the same. So what you need to do is just take your tires off and take the lower screw over here, this screw right here. Right here, the lower one. Yeah, take that one off, okay? So okay, once you take that off, um, make sure you open up your hood and open up the brake fluid reservoir. Okay, once you've done all that, you take the screw here off and just lift that up. And you can use a wire or anything like that to hold this up. Okay, so I'm using a wire to hold this up so I can change the pads. Okay, makes it much easier for you to get under. So okay, so once you've done that, make sure you check to see if there's any left. But the reason I'm taking this out and changing it today is because it was squeaking when you back up, you know. So let me check the inside one. This one looks like it's been like it's about a third wore out. So let me check the inside. Yeah, see, the reason it's squeaking is because this metal is rubbing right here. So it's about time you change it. Yep. So I'm gonna put the new brake pads on. The Nissan OEM replacement brand. Okay. So what's inside? You have all these things here, and if you compare the old one to the new one, it's about a third that's already worn out. So it's about time we replace them. Okay. Okay, so what you need to do to push this brake pressure in is to use one of your old brake pads and use a clamp like this. And slowly turn. Okay, so you can see it's flat now. Before it was like way out here because as the brake warns out, this thing will push out here, but now we just press it all the way back in so we can put the thicker brake pads in. So yep, just put your new brake pads in. Okay, the inner one goes on the inside. Okay. outer one. And then now you can take the wire out.
Then the airplane can see it. Airplane, do you see my middle
This is an easy
my middle finger?
way to change your brake pads, and only for the beginners only, okay? For those of you that are very advanced, this video is not for you, okay? Okay, so let's see. That means I did not decompress this enough. Okay, here we go. Make sure the bottom screw hole is aligned, and we are set. So put your screw back where it belongs. Okay. Okay, so once you put the bottom screw back in, just tighten like that, and you're done. That's pretty much it. And put your tires back on, and you're all set. All the other 4 tires are the same way. So I'm only showing you one here, but you can do all that to the other 3. So this is a complete brake pad change. My Honda Pilot today, and you know, it's only for the beginners. If you're advanced, don't watch this video, but if you're a beginner, you don't know what to do, this is how you change the brake pads. Okay, so after you change all your brakes and put the tires back on, you need to come on close the reservoir, and usually after you put your brake pads on, your fluid should be all the way back up, or if not, you need to fill it back up on there. Okay, and close your reservoir here, and after you do that, you can go to the inside, and you need to step on the brakes a couple times, like maybe you know, keep on putting pressure on the brakes until it's hard, okay, before you drive. Because if you don't put step on the brakes a couple times to release all the air bubbles, or to the you know, then you won't be able to brake. So you just keep on stepping and pumping the brake until it's hard, and then you can start driving the car. And this is the end of the video for changing brake pads on the 2004 Honda Pilot.